Debugging is fixing mistakes in your code so that your program works correctly. Debugging helps us find and fix mistakes in our programs so they work correctly. When we test our code, we look for errors and make changes to solve them. Debugging helps us find and fix mistakes in our programs so they work correctly. Common errors include syntax mistakes, typing errors, and logical errors that prevent the program from running as expected. Debugging is checking and fixing errors in your code to make sure the program works correctly. Debugging is like finding mistakes in your code and fixing them, making sure your program works correctly. Start by checking one part of your code at a time to find errors easily. Debugging helps find and fix mistakes in our programs so they work correctly. Debugging is finding and fixing errors in your code so that your program works correctly.